me that we are born and not created. What have I learned? And what will I do? An angel is a messenger, God, and we believe it.
Wow, very good.
Okay, si Kuya JC na.
Muna ba eh?
Consolation prayer as well. Okay, thank you. Kasi kuha ko yan. Sa mga pinagkataas sa namin sa kalibutan, sino pa itong fan?
Dami.
Okay, so once again, thank you so much guys for participating para sa ating birthday. Okay, na-request na ako itong mga participants. Request for more time. Please na sila. Okay, once again, ako participants na ito. Na-request na ako sila balik para for picture taking. Picture taking na nakadyo. And once again, thank you so much guys for participating sa atong mga pag-ulang kalon. Okay, so this is our next game. All kids and adults pwede mag-participate para sa ating next game. Okay, once again, all kids and adults pwede mag-participate. Pati ang production. Pati ang production. Okay, so this is our next game. This is what we call the Bring Me Game. Okay, the Bring Me Game. Hello. Okay, once again, the Bring Me Game. So, mekanis na kami sa tulad. Ang item ay ask ni Ate Ash, dinilang nato po ako sa Jollibee lang katay. Kasi mapun sila sa Jollibee, nasa ay nakita sa second floor. Okay, so this time, for our first item, one item. Our first item, one item.
Birthday. Happy birthday, oh no. One more. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, no. Eh, kamo, greet mo ni Uno. Unsa man imong maingon, no? 12? 24. Gani, 25 mo.
Magulang din mo ko pang
Oh, magulang. Smile. Oy, smile. Isa na, 1 to ready. Ay, na po na isa. 1 to ready. Ay, picture din ni. Kanang sanan mi, be?